going to ride through the campground so y'all can see.
It's gravel, but it's nice. I mean, it's clean. Water on there.
Got pea gravel. Got you a covered picnic table. No fire rings.
They don't like fire up here because of the dry air situation that it is, which is good. I think it's fun.
And of course they've got doggy pots here too.
Yep.
And it looks like they're all electric and water on these sites.
Yeah.
It's more primitive here as far as not being
More modern.
yeah.
It's not as modern as a modern camp, but it's old and I camp here.
Shoot, yeah, me too.
Beautiful.
I mean, the views are spectacular.
Yeah,
Wow.
Over here is pretty nice. But the views anywhere we camped up in here have been beautiful.
Exactly. There's an old one. Sure enough.
Is that an old Holiday River? What is it? No, it's not.
No.
Holiday River, it's something else. Oh, they got an open sign on these. 31R. It's open. Is that a retro?
Yeah, that's a retro.
I don't think so.
You think it's a real thing?
Mm-hmm. That's the real deal. Yep, that's the real deal.
Y'all think that's a real deal? Well, I think it might be too.
Yep, it is. It's got some dents and bugs in it.
Oh, yeah. That's called character.
That's right. Character. There's one right there. 36R. Looks like a bit bigger on the inside.
I mean, the canyon here down below is fabulous.
And then you're up on a plateau here. Too bad they don't have some pull-offs through there. If they updated this thing,
So,
if they had pull-offs here, it'd be
right, this is a Corps of Engineer park,
Yep.
and it's $20 because it has water and electric. But for us,
It's half price.
it's half price, so it'd be $10.
You got tent camping too. A bunch of girls over in their Jeep. Yeah, seems like the inside ones are deeper than a little bit deeper. One long enough, just barely. It's nice.
Sure enough.
It's old. It was built in the 60s. Boat launch.
What's that say? Right. Oh, that's B-Loop. Okay. We'll cross the way here.
Big gravel road, washboard.
Yeah.
Nice.
This is actually better than the paved one out there. Looks like they have some areas over here just like they do across the lake that are closed off.
Yes. It's old. And if they could put a loop out there.
Mm-hmm.
How many campsites are in here?
I'm not sure. I didn't see a sign saying how many. But this looks like it's day use
There's
here.
one right there, 40. There's one. It's a pull-off.
Oh, sweet.
40, and there's another one.
Yep, 42.
Oh, that's you park your car.
Right.
These are tent sites.
Yes.
Okay. Pull up here and check it out. Check out the view. Check out the view with my mama.
Sure enough.
Tent over there. Yeah. Well, check it out.
So this is a tent site, folks.
These are great tent sites.
Ooh, the wind is a whipping now.
Get the wind.
There's the lake and the dam. I don't know if you can see us over there. Yep, I can see us. We are right there. We've got some trees in front of us. Oh, that wind is whipping. Sorry, y'all. But here's the dam right here. Yep. It's a huge dam. Huge. But it looks like these used to be fire pits. Sure enough. Wow. That's sweet. Very cool. Very cool.
There's the campground right over there.
Mm-hmm.
And the road in front of us is down to the boat landing and to, I guess, some riverfront camp. They use areas down there.
For fishing and that kind of thing.
They got picnic awnings and stuff down there.
Right.
There's a schoolie over there. I don't know who that is.
I'm not sure.
There we are over there.
Mm-hmm.
I can see us slightly from here.
Yeah. Woo.
That river is coming up since we've been here.
And look how muddy it is. Wow.
All the snow runoff from the north.
Yeah.
And plus we had rain here last night. Had storms moving through the area yesterday. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. It's fascinating.
I mean, there is not a bad view from anywhere in this area. What do you think, Miss Lily? What do you think? Huh? What is it? Do you like to go bye-bye? Huh? Do you like to go bye-bye? Yeah.
Yeah, but I like my air conditioning.
I do. I love my AC. Hey. There, y'all can see the dam pretty good from right here. Wow.
Don't jump.
What you doing?
Want a drink of water?
What you doing? Lily.
Here. Want some water? Hey. Water? Yeah, she's thirsty. I'm thirsty.
Was it good? Hey. I just have to check. Make sure everything's okay. Always the watchdog. Now that is some water flowing, folks. Wow. This is the Rio Grande right here.
New Mexico.
New Mexico, of course. Wow.
On water.
Woo! Gallons and gallons.
Millions of gallons.
Millions of gallons.
Oh yeah.
Wow. Okay, y'all. We went right over there. It was a 45-mile round trip to go over there. We had to go completely around the dam to get there.
On that mountain range over there.
Wow.
I-25.
Yeah. That's amazing, huh? You don't think it's that far, but it really is.
Country, man.
Woo!